Breaking news today, a trade clash begins. The US and Canada face off. President Donald Trump acts. He imposes tariffs on imports. Canada and Mexico are targeted. The date is March 4th, 2025. Tariffs hit 25% on most goods. Energy from Canada gets 10%. The goal is clear. Trump wants to stop drugs. Fentanyl is the big target. He also aims at immigration. Canada strikes back fast. Ontario Premier Doug Ford speaks. He threatens to cut electricity. This powers U.S. homes. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau agrees. Retaliatory tariffs are coming. The U.S. stock market shakes. The Dow Jones drops hard. Nearly 650 points vanish. Investors feel the heat. This story is just starting. Let's break it down. Why tariffs and what they mean? What are these tariffs? They're taxes on imports. Trump uses a special law. It's called the IEEPA. That's the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. He says it's about security. Drugs threaten the nation. Fentanyl kills Americans daily. Mexico's cartels lead the way. They make drugs in labs, then smuggle them across borders. Canada has a role too. Fentanyl labs grow there. Big ones in Western Canada. They produce pounds weekly. Seizures at the border rise enough to kill millions. Trump blames both countries. He says they don't act. Mexico shields cartels. He claims Canada lets labs thrive. This is his fix, tariffs to force change. But Canada disagrees. They say it's unfair. Their economy could hurt, so they fight back. Canada targets U.S. goods $155 billion worth. Some tariffs start now. Others kick in soon. This could get messy. A trade war looms large. Both sides dig in. Let's look closer. Economic ties and market shocks. The U.S. and Canada connect deeply. They trade more than anyone. It's the world's biggest partnership. Canada sends a lot south. In 2023, it was $439.6 billion. That's energy, cars, and more. Oil and gas lead the list. $145 billion worth flows in. Vehicles and parts follow. That's $65.5 billion annually. Food adds $40.5 billion more. Exports are Canada's lifeblood. They're 34% of its GDP. Tariffs could raise prices. U.S. consumers might pay more. Supply chains could break. Cars and energy feel it. Most Canada loses export cash. Jobs could disappear fast. Now the stock market, the Dow fell 650 points. That was March 4th. Markets hate uncertainty, but there's a twist. Pre-market data shifts. A slight rise appears. Still, volatility rules the day. Investors brace for worse. Higher costs worry them. A slowdown could hit hard. This isn't just numbers. Real people feel this. Businesses face tough times. Small ones might close, but some U.S. firms gain. Less competition helps them. History warns us, though trade wars often backfire. The Great Depression proved it. Tariffs made things worse. Today's risks are real. Let's talk electricity next. The electricity threat and what's ahead. Here's the wild card. Ontario's Doug Ford threatens he might cut electricity. Exports? This isn't small potatoes. Canada powers? U.S. states, Michigan and New York, rely on it. In 2023, it lit 1.5 million homes. That's 33 terawatt-hours. New England needs it too. It's 12% to 16% of sales. If Ford pulls the plug, watch out. Energy bills could spike. Power shortages might hit. It's a strong move. Canada shows its muscle. But it's risky too. The U.S. could hit back harder. More tariffs might come. Or legal fights under trade deals. The USMCA could be tested. Canada might block U.S. bids. This could escalate fast. Diplomacy is in play talks. Delayed tariffs once a month was bought, but now they're live. Trudeau wants peace. He'll still defend Canada. Ford's ready to act. Energy is his weapon. Both sides lose in chaos. Millions hang in balance. Mexico's in this too. It faces the same tariffs. A bigger clash could grow. Global markets watch nervously. Oil and metals sway. The world feels the ripple. Calm is needed now. Talks could save the day. The WTO might step in. But it's up to them. Trump keeps his promise. Voters wanted border control. He's acting on it. Fentanyl deaths drive him. Over 216,000 loss since 2021. This is his stand. Canada says it's wrong. The fight goes on. We'll keep you posted. This story isn't over. Back to you now.